Guys, Manilang town sa Fenelon Falls. Hallelujah. Basta naging okay. Basta naging teams guys. Na yun may town. Kung sa to apod diba, joke sa to dito. Basta nanay Jollibee City na na. Yo, city
and then coffee.
I don't need a pee.
Ano siya na house, preserve.
Kani ang mauni siya ang bridge. Yung mauna ang falls.
Bridge of Fenelon.
Kani ang falls diri. Yata manaog.
Ha? Kana falls?
Manaog ka diri falls na diha ang dam.
Oh.
Diri ang lock.
Here you're gonna be able to see how the boats move.
Yeah, kaning lock.
Oo.
Diri ka magkuan.
Okay, lock. Get na ako. The falls.
Last time dito mi nag-try of fish.
Fenelon Falls.
Kani ang kawarta ice cream nga taas kay pilahin.
Asa?
Kani.
Ana dire?
Oh, dara.
Ayo, kawarta.
32 flavor sale.
32?
Yeah.
Oh, dagan tao.
32. Yeah. Big lineup. And then this is the boats where Jerry saw a we saw a beautiful boat. There.
Fenelon Falls Brewing Company. Yan mga boats.
Dili mga bars. So kana mga
Murphy's.
bikers.
Dari na sila.
Spend time diri after mag-bike, mag-beer. Tara bikers.
Sila man nang
chill.
kadaghan na napansin ang mga bikers na mga idaran.
Kung kadi mo makapagmatanon ani kay mahal man kaayo ang insurance ana isa ka tuig.
Ama o dai pud.
Plus maintenance pa ana.
Fenelon Falls. Ilang lake guys. Tourism Info Center. No, boats.
So I want to go over there.
Yeah, I heard you. There's no park. I don't know
So,
if that's street.
dito daw may mag-fishing unya. Tudlo ni Kaloy. Right now, mangita may parking. Yeah. Osteopathy.
This is the parking spot here.
a rock? Oh. Yeah. Swimming.
I want to catch him.
Big fish. Fendi Laundry, guys. Fendi Laundry is mga baruto dari. Dari may na isla ni Kaloy na. So, daghan po mga tourist kasi klaseng barko. So yun, Fendi Laundry is Kaloy. Fishing eh. Wala mo mga gamit, guys. Yan. Ito. Ako ang reel. Ako ang reel. Ito na akong blabber. Yung pula dito. Ito sa Ambang, guys. May tulay. May mga cottages for sale and for rent. Sumindot na, guys, no? Ang tulay. Dito ha, mag-uyab sa tiludi dito. Masol. Wala ka ako, guys. Kasi ate. Murag na isa dito po ba na masol?
Asa ba?
Yung tapad. Turo, may puti, oh.
Ito ganina.
Turo.
Ibalhin siya.
Turo, may yung blabber, oh.
Asa?
Turo yung blabber, oh, puti.
Nasa diha.
Iwalis kapoy kay walay kuha minghoy. Walay kuha minghoy. Wati lang gihapon. Walay kuha. Ning hoy. Again.
There. That's a migratory bird.
Ah,
Special license. It's a teal. A black teal.
feel. It's not from Canada, the bird.
It goes from Canada to the United States.
Ah,
Migratory. I think it's only here in the summer, eh?
okay. Then if it's winter, they goes
Go
back to the
back,
United
yeah.
States. Kanina guys, na ako dere. Wala ako kita kung ano yung feather. Anong feather guys? Yung sa mga Indians panid, mga First Nations. It is direct link from heaven above. So maybe it's God's gift for me. Maybe it's from Mama or something, kay Mama or Papa or from God. So I will keep it as one gift from heaven's kuha. So this is my lucky feather, my lucky charm. According sa mga First Nations, mga Indians. So far guys, no, sukad na abot mi dere. Hangtod karon, wag hapoy ko. Minghoy mingtan. Upat na mi ha. Kaluhi, ako, Ludi, si Ian. Hoy ko. Isa. Pero katong dito mi sa lake. Buyag-buyag, gaganmig nakuha. Unom, tuwalo. Ang mga almost 10 dito. Pulo. Pero now, pag-abot na madali mga 3:30. Time check. 4:35. Wala, 0. Minghoy. Kuwalis kapoy. Actually, nalay attempt na mga seaplane guys. Oh. Seaplane. Yeah, seaplane. Seaplane. I thought it's gonna land here.
No, too short.
Ah, too short.
It needs a lot more water. He has to go out to the lake.
Ah, to open.
Yeah.
Open lake.
Yeah, just too short.
Dito guys, sa open lake dito. Daghan na kayo mag-jet ski, pang water activity, boats. Pero di sa may tulay na maabre-abre ba? Ay naga-fishing dito. Fishing. Dili itong fishing. Gabrihan ng computer niya tingod sa mga hacker. It's fishing. Wow. Nandito. Sigal. Bubble stays in the middle. Middle of the current. Yes. Oh guys.
Ian, he got out.
Oh.
He got away.
You're not gonna keep that.
Yeah.
Oh, I thought we can
No.
keep. You picture them there.
Yeah. Oh, inay. Lagi mo ganyan na.
Kuan na lang yun, paduol na lang yun ka. Ipaduol yun ba? Kay
Igo sa mata. Kaluoy. Eh.
Naigo. Mamatay mo yapon na. Itaas pa. Ana. Diri. Okay, 1, 2, 3.
Sus, naigo sa mata oh. Look.
Mamatay gyapon na. Ing anak nga bas ako nakaro.
That's there. There's more.
It's in the eye it was poked in the eye.
Guys, ay pictures ako. Bass. It was poked in the eyes. But I have to throw it back. So small, eh? Sorry. Bye-bye.
Should make it. They're very strong fish, eh?
So there's really a fish here.
Huh?
There's really a fish.
No, there is. If you caught that, there's got to be bigger ones.
Yeah.
There's fish here.
Otter. Here.
Swimming?
Yeah, swimming.
Swimming away?
Yeah. He has a fish in his mouth too. An otter.
The one that you,
Maybe.
yeah, the one that you got.
Yeah, over. He's over there. Ah, wala. He's gone. An otter. Sayang. We're done with our fishing trip. Bayot guys, bayot kay na barko na mata, na baba, ilong ng heart, sweet dreams. Ito ang bayuta guys. Fenelon Falls. Happy ko guys, kaya at least may mga crow and albatross. So there they are guys. Daladalag net. So thanks sa inuwala ang feather. Sus, inuwala. Ay nako, ano, sigal. What's in it eh? Ah, museum. Ay, oo. Naibayad?
Muna siya ang map.
Yeah.
Kanan Lakes. Yeah, naatad diri karon sa
Humanata di ako sa Lake 5.
Diri man ta sa Skogog no, Port Perry, muna siya.
Oo.
Nya
Fenelon, turoti ang aso.
oh kani.
Yan, 34.
Kani.
Oh,
Yeah,
Fenelon.
maupod ni tapad gikan man tagahapon didto, so nisaka ta dire.
So Fenelon.
34 ta karon. So mag-connect na siya na ay mga canals. Mo-connect siya mga locks.
Tama no,
Yung
mga
hantod-
mga locks.
Hantod mo saka ka dito sa dako kay
Nakataas. Pero 5 ang pinakadako.
ha sa kani?
Kana, dito sa unahan oh.
Kani mo man
Georgian
Georgina, di ba
Bay.
ni adto ta? Georgina.
Pero ang Georgina, ate oh.
Asa?
Pero sa pinakilid,
Di
Georgian
oy
Bay.
Georgian Bay man na. Kani ang
Ay,
Georgina ni ang adto pud ta atong Monday.
Tama. Oh,
Kani mo
Georgina.
na Georgian Bay dako kay na siya.
Mao na ka to mo sakyan ni Ian.
Dili oy.
Georgian Bay. Diha mi nagsakay barko. So, this is the lock, guys, oh. Yeah. So, this is the lock. So, they are waiting. Oo. Sumao din. Yeah. Morning lock, guys. Nahulat ko na ito, te. So, morning lock, guys. Para pag mapuno na,
Mapuno diha, makabok na sila.
kabok na sila. Wala lang kayo, guys.
Mabaw
This is the
na.
lock.
So, ang Ontario, ang lower man na siya. So, para mag-abot sila.
Ay, di, hulat doon pa man siguro ni.
Oh, mo gani anto sa tabalik ka ta. Dugay pa ni.
Dugay pa. So, kani sila, guys. Nagulat sila, guys. Kamutabok sila din, ha. Oh, mapaw kayo. Sumo ng lock. Murag,
Ka dito niya.
murag gate ba, no? So, mura siya gate, guys. Mao din yung lock. Oh. Oh.
Meter, mataas na siya.
Sus, kamabaw. Nga dari. Tara sila.
Pwede mo kay mahatbong ka.
Tama. Pero hinahinay pag-release sa tubig, tino.
Uy, pag-ablian na.
Oh, di. Umod sila diretso.
Mani, punoon man ni.
Sumao.
Bilis na maupod.
Ay,
Nawa, yan.
lato na ito, tayo. Abrihan naman yun. Ha? Oh, easy. Water. Come on, guys. Wow. Ilang galing dito water, guys. Tutura ang lake sa Pikas. Mapaw. Okay. Mapaw. Wala lang balik sa nahinay. Nahinay. Para makalusot ang mga boat. Ulaton pa yata mag-level, guys. Ulaton pa. So, tawag na ko ni ate. There we are. Saka. Tara, guys. Nakasilong. Tek. Ha?
Buwas na dito para makakuha.
Ah, okay. Yan, nahubas na. Okay. So, mag-open na ng gate, guys.
Sila na pag-open.
Oh,
Awa, level na sila pa rin.
yeah, oh, level na, oh. So, i-release na ni sila.
Ablihan na na.
Kabalo ka tingani po sa Suez Canal. Agyan sa mga barko. From Asia, Middle East niya, tabok na siya, para Europe na. Di na sila moagi dito sa Strait of Magellan. Uy, nga, nipod to sa Suez Canal.
Pero dako kayo.
Tako kayo, madagang barko ang mga agi. Kung ako kabalo na ako din nga ni Dusinyo sa Canada po.
Mubalik ba din taon yan? Tanaw ni mong story pa sa ato.
Nga dito sa museum. Museum, guys.
Awa, ready na sila.
Almost ready na. So, ang tubig dito guys taas. Dari mubo. So,
Baka na po na.
okay, i-open na guys. Open na. I-open na guys. Panahon na to guys. Agi na sila. Muna ang jet ski. Next ang boat. Okay. And guys, ang suroy ni guys. Here's a marina. Very marina. And curious na ko sa nahitabo na yung gate kanina na open ang gate. So they are here for the kawarta ice cream sa Katawan. Kaya wala naman tayo kwarta. Siya na lang palitan ng kawarta. Man naman ni gahapon. So guys, taas ng water again. Oh, they're going there. We're going there again. Guys, dito na po ang i-open na gate. Dipasaka sila guys. Kigikan sila diri sa akong likod. Na sila din na dipasaka ang water din. Yun, i-open na ang gate para makalusot na sila. Yun guys. Dari yung lalum. May sulod. Dari ni taas ang water. They are passing na. Bye-bye. Okay. Alright guys,
There's fish here, right?
the falls. La cute. Fish safari?
Yeah.
No fishing?
No, from January to December.
Okay.
Na-shoot, na-shoot, Paul.
That's shoot.
Tara,
Uy, may bell.
bell.
The memorial bell. Oh. Gamay ram day siya, te.
Dilihat kasi.
Ano siya, mini. Oh, yeah. Pelican. Guys, na-bird, oh. Crane. Ay! Hi, crane! Hi, crane! Crane! Yeah, it's a crane. This beak is pointed. Naog ni ate. There is a waterfalls. There's a lot of people na nag-fishing guys. Ako naman ako fishing. At least nakakuha kong bass. Dito to sa taas guys. Dili to direct. Kami sa taas nag-fishing. Taghan po nag-fishing guys. Dito yung falls sa likod. Fishing. Fishing sila manoy. Lindot ka ang tubig. Limpyo. Wow, diri dito nag-aagi. So guys, mao ni diri sila nag-fishing and nag-swimming. Da? Wala here. Wala dyan mo kakuha.
Nothing.
Nilinis silang gawa sila.
At least we got one upstairs.
Dahil kay papapa ng water.
So mao ni guys katong na-gate dito guys, diri na mo gawas tong mga nga dito sa ibabaw.
Kani mabalik kani.
Kani sila pasaka na pud ni sila facing up. Duta no. Ay jud may kay una ang Canada.
Stop pa.
Stop pa.
out because we're in the water out.
Oh, the flow of the water is now.
There'll be about 5 boats coming out.
Yeah.
And then there's 2 to go.
And that too. And that too is going up. Yeah. So guys, na bagong abot kanang yellow, gika na sila dito ganina. Bagong abot. So pasaka na sila dito guys, ganina sa taas. Yeah, kanina gate, ika-34th gate ni siya. So daghan kay gate. Yeah, here they are. Nanate on, gawas na. Here they are. They're coming out. Yeah, okay na natin. They're coming out. They're coming out.
There's gonna be a big boat coming through too.
Yeah. Party boat. Sylvian, Mandalay.
Like the next or the one after that?
Yeah, this one.
No, there's a one bigger. Next.
Coming out. And there's one more. Really good.
They want to go into upstairs and get something to eat.
You forgot something.
They want to eat.
Okay.
They want to come through first.
Here's another boat, the bigger one.
The big one.
Much bigger, yeah. Big boat. Wow. Nice boat.
Very nice.
Nice boat. It's a Commodore. Okay guys, we are started to go inside na the party boat and another one, party boat. So there's 2 party boat and
The
one.
big gas tank in the back. See the red can?
Yeah, that's gasoline, right?
Yeah.
So here's another one. What happened to him?
This boat.
This
That boat.
Yeah.
The gas tank is inside.
Mm.
Like in the back,
Yeah.
there's a hole to fill up,
Mm-mm.
and the tank's in the middle.
Yeah, no fishing area. Mm.
This is the boats.
But I did fishing there.
Yeah. Too much traffic.
Fenelon Falls and District Lions Club. Yati. Pasalipod kay giinitan. Yati.
Butterfly kilo.
Butterfly na bangko.
Ay, diri ka para mapicturean.
Guys, nindot kayo mga bulak guys,
Pero dili pwede diri mo.
Dili, picture lang. Abing river, Yeah.
Pana lang.
Oh. Pana siya pero
Oo, nagtanaw sila kay Kaloy yung
nakistorya gis ko apod.
nagsurya?
Oh, yan siya. Hey, buddy.
Yeah,
Yan siya.
mo nimo.
How's your luck? Diyan. Urang ana ba?
Yeah.
Ikaw, no fish.
Yeah.
Siya, katawa na siya. Yan, doon na po siya kakaloy. Inilak niya. Hey, buddy, inilak. No fish. Sundog ra po ito na ako tayo ingon. No, silang tag no fish yan eh. Isa. Wala na na dire. Okay.
Dili man gyud ang main attraction. Katong dito
Murphy's Lakeside Pub in Patio.
But there's no exit here, so we're
Murphy's.
we're gonna go this
telling
way.
me to turn around.
Yeah.
Babes by the Bay.
But it says to not empty.
No, you gotta make
Ay,
a
ti.
Oh, land.
Ti, bayot yun dahil ng barkuhat eh. Nalaway lang flag ti, oh.
Bayot lagi.
Oh.
Yes, no, that's why I couldn't make a left.
LGBT flag.
They was telling me to go down the end and turn around.
That's why you said it's so gay because they are gay.
Who?
That
Are they?
That boat.
Yeah, their flag is a rainbow.
Oh, that's why. Who the hell wants lips and eyes on their boat?
Snow and sandy around there. Moose with one horn.
Yeah,
Moose with one horn.
Broke off.
CIBC. So,
tourist man yung area here.
mao di ay. Mao
Yeah,
jud.
because a lot of Americans come here.
Mm.
Little town.
Sabo.
Mahal na ng restaurant.
There we go guys. Balik mi dito. Tara.
I think they're getting ready to close because the flight's coming down.
Ah, okay.
Plus the flight's
So they must be closing. Yeah, so dili daghan gid yung isda diri.
Mao no kay naa diri sa kuan.
Pero they
Bawal. Texas burger.
ano diha di ang mga naay cottages. 3
Mm.
million. I was looking
Cottages sa RV?
kanang diha sa lake,
Sa lake.
by the lake. 3 million eh.
Ang sorry, 3 million.
3 million ang
Secondary school.
dollars.
so expensive because it's only an hour and a half from Toronto.
That's why.
Most people's colleges are 4 hours away.